Welcome everybody, thank you for joining me again for another unboxing and demonstration of a diffuser I purchased recently by a company named ZAQ. This model is called the Tour. It provides you with Litemist Aromatherapy. Tour is a travel-friendly aromatherapy diffuser that fits in your vehicle's cup holder. The ultrasonic technology transforms the interior of your car or living area into a tranquil space. Its unique design prevents tipping while your vehicle is in motion, and with the included car and home adapter, you can always use it on the go. The diffuser breaks up a mixture of water and essential oils into millions of microparticles that are released in a stream of mist. The activated ingredients of blended essential oils are easily absorbed through your skin, while the scents freshen the area around you, providing you with the aromatherapy treatment. This is great to have during those stressful times when you're stuck in traffic or after a long hard day at work, as the essential oils improve your mental, physical, and emotional state, which then alleviates that stress, providing you with mental serenity. The Tour comes in 4 color options: purple, green, white, and black. The specifications are the water capacity, a maximum of 60 milliliters, which will give you an operating time up to 4 hours in continuous mode or 8 hours in intermittent. The dimensions are 2.66 inches by 5.96 inches. The voltage is direct current 12 volt AC 100 to 240 volt, and your 12 volt car adapter. The power is 8 watts, and it's equipped with an auto shut off, meaning when the water is finished, it automatically turns off so it won't burn out. In my opinion, it's my go-to choice over air fresheners, which tend to lose its scent quickly. I also love the portability and simple design. It's BPA free and has 1-year warranty. Some key things to remember when using the ZAQ is fill with clean room temperature tap water. Add 1 to 2 drops of your choice of essential oils. Replace the cover and turn it on. So you twist the cap and it says on the box 60 milliliters is the fill line. You see right there it says max, so don't go past that. So that is just below the fill line. Now I'm just gonna put the cap back on. The simplistic design of the Tour makes it a very user-friendly product, which makes it very easy to change through the 4 mist settings via the 2 buttons on the body. The first mode, which would be your continuous mist, you press the top button once to turn on low. A second press sets it to high, when a third and final press turns off the mist. The button below is the intermittent mode, which sprays every few seconds depending on what setting you're on, low or high. A second press changes back to continuous mode. Keep in mind that intermittent mode will make the water and essential oil mixture last twice as long than opposed to running it on continuous mode, which reduces operation time by 50%. On camera, the mist may not look impressive, but I can tell you from first-hand experience that in a matter of seconds it was able to fill up my truck with the aroma from the essential oil that I chose. So I'm very pleased and impressed, and I'm happy with this product. To purchase the demo diffuser for yourself or as a gift, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, or feel free to ask a question. Subscribe for any future content. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.